Microsoft Word, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. I just have some random letters here, just for an example at the end, but as you can see, it is really hard to move around a picture in Word. But if you do want to move it around freely, you can either right-click and click on Wrap Text, or if you click on the picture, it should have this option as well. Now, the option that I'm going to click is called Tight. Now, once that option is clicked, you can now move it around freely in the Word document. Now, if you want to make it a little bit smaller and have it in between lines, you can do this as well. But if you click that option again and click on an option called Through, this will actually put your picture through the text. And if you also click this once again and click on Inline with Text, you can actually have it, if you do Square, you can have it within the text as well. Now, these are just some options for you, and if you want it behind text, you can do that as well. And there are just a lot of options that you can use. But that's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.